Soundstripe.
My name's Warren Browning. I'm the General Manager at Barnsdale Lodge Hotel. Before we had the shades installed, it caused quite a lot of problems with the direct sunlight and also the heat aspect as well in the conservatory, making it quite uncomfortable. It causes a lot of problems, especially around lunchtime when the sun can be directly coming into the conservatory. So it's been a remarkable improvement since we've had the shades installed. It actually retracts the heat as well. So in the winter it keeps heat in the summer it lets some of the heat out. Works very well for us, and as I say, we do like the look and feel of them. So they're quite pleasing on the eye as well. I feel that roll blinds can be very commercial. Not only that, it's the cost effective as well, and it's a lot better product, we felt, more fitting to our property and our aesthetics here as opposed to having blinds in place. We had a few people tender for the actual work here, but we found InShade were by far the most approachable, and they worked with us to make sure it was a smooth installation, and I have to say they were cost effective as well. And the reason we went with InShade, we found them to be very professional. They're very easy to install, and it's easy for our maintenance team to take them down or for our housekeeping team to wash them, and it's so easy to do. It's on a 30-degree wash, and we tend to do that once a month in the summer, maybe once every 2 months in the winter. But it's very easy just to literally unlatch them in the wash, and you don't have to do anything with them afterwards, just put them straight up and they dry out in place. So yeah, they're very, very easy to maintain going forward. We'd have no problem in recommending InShade blinds. One, for their professionalism. Two, they're very cost effective. And three, we really have the working partnership with them going forward as well. And we found them to be very personable. Right from the beginning, from site survey, the initial contact, right through until installation. And still now, after being in place for a couple of years, we still work very closely with them.